Hi, how are things? My name is Matias Gonzalez and today we are going to see how to extract an object from a JPG photograph to erase the background and obtain a PNG image and thus be able to work with a transparent background and be able to extract that image or logo that we need in any other photograph. But before I start, I want to clarify that this is an update of a video that we already had on the channel and that I am working with the Photoshop version. Yes. 20, 21, 22.4, 0. If you have a previous version or another, I recommend that you watch this video that I have here on the screen. So with nothing else to say, let's get started. As you can see, we already have the image open and what I want to do is obtain a PNG image, but it was only a boy on the screen. So what we are going to do is come to the Photoshop help menu. Let's remember that we can also obtain this Discover panel through the Lupita that we have up here. We are going to come quickly and we are going to select the action of removing fonts. With this, what we are going to obtain is our selected character and with its transparent background we are going to give it to apply. As you can see, I already believe what the layer mask is. With the selection we are going to close and never. Have we selected our person? It has generated a layer mask for us, which we can see here with the record in case we still have some details to polish. For example, here in What Are the Fingers, we have a bit of heaven left. What we can do is select the layer mask and either by using the brush and selecting the black color that we want to hide it, we can paint. Or we can simply double-click the layer mask to open the professional panel. Remember that however you want. Let's assume that we will output our perfectly selected image. Good that we can move the subject. What we are going to do is go to the archive, save a copy, which is this small detail that changed from the previous video. Apart from the quick actions, we are going to click on Save a Copy and in this way we are going to have what are the menus that we had before, such as the PNG. After we have already chosen the folder where we are going to save, we simply change the file name if we want and after that we are going to save it. Here we choose the format options, in this case it will give you OK, since it will be saved much faster. Once the percentage is completed, we would have our person saved in PNG format and with a transparent background. They saw that the biggest change would be quick action and saving as a copy. Previously we came file save with. I hope this video has been useful to you. This update of what the video we already had is like this. Do not forget to leave your comment what you think. If you are not subscribed to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that YouTube notifies you of the following tutorials. With nothing more to say, I leave you a big greeting and I'll be seeing you next week. Bye bye.